I have here with me a waiver which I will sign right now. Ito po, pirmado ko na po.
Ano po ba yung waiver na yan?
Babasahin ko po. Babasahin ko po. I, Renato C. Corona, hereby waive my right of confidentiality and secrecy of bank deposits under Republic Act number 1405 as amended, and authorize all banking institutions to disclose to the public any and all bank documents pertaining to all peso and foreign currency accounts under my name. I hereby authorize the Bureau of Internal Revenue, the Anti-Money Laundering Council, the Securities and Exchange Commission, and the Land Registration Authority to disclose to the public any and all information that may show my assets, liabilities, net worth, business interests, and financial connections, to include those of my spouse. I am likewise authorizing the Clerk of Court of the Supreme Court and Bank, with permission from the Supreme Court and Bank, to immediately release to the public my SALN for the years 2002 to 2011. Wherefore, with God and the Filipino people as my witnesses, I affix my signature this 22nd day of May 2012 at Pasay City, Philippines. Signed, Renato C. Corona, Chief Justice, Supreme Court of the Philippines.
Mr. Chief Justice, that is limited to Republic Act 1405.
Nakalagay po, foreign currency deposits.
The foreign currency deposit refers to Republic Act
6426.
26.
Apo.
So you are also waiving that.
Yes, I will write it here in my handwriting.
Yes.
It's just a typographical error because the original draft had it.
Yes.
And nakalagay naman po dito, under Republic Act 6426 and Republic Act 1405 as amended.
That's why I wanted to clarify.
Apo, nakalagay po,
To
nakalagay
make
po.
it clear. Are you through, Mr. Sir?
Madali na lang po. Madali na lang po.
Yeah.
It authorizes any and all banks to release information about dollar accounts in my name and peso accounts in my name, specifically the number of the accounts, the opening and closing balance. As I speak, my counsels are distributing blank copies of the waiver that I have signed. I'm humbly asking all 188 complainants from the House of Representatives, led by the congressmen in the prosecution panel and Senator Franklin Drilon, to join me in a moment of truth as a gesture of transparency and reconciliation with the Filipino people and to one another. I am asking them to sign these blank forms and to join me sapagkat hiling po ito ng bayan. Let us face the people together. The nation is at a standstill. Our people are watching all of us. Our people have been drawn into this intriguing web of dissension and divisiveness. We, or this proceeding has divided the nation. We owe it to the people. Let us together show them that we are first and foremost their public servants, and we surrender to their call for transparency and accountability. Let us rise to the occasion and prove to them that we deserve their trust, that we are willing to answer to them whatever the consequences. I beg you, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen of the prosecution, not to engage me in arguments about who is on trial here. We, you and me, are all on trial here. Let us stop all the posturing and show the Filipino nation what we are made of. This is not trick or manipulation. This is an invitation, a challenge for public accountability, made only with the hope that we can all, together, give our nation one shining moment in public service. You may choose to turn down this invitation, this challenge, for whatever reason, whatever. But if you decline, then you will affirm to me and all who are watching that there is in fact no legal obligation or duty to disclose foreign currency holdings and deposits. If any of you should choose to decline, I regret that there is no point in my waiver, because it will only allow the completion of the persecution I have suffered. I am no thief, I am no criminal, I have done no wrong. But honorable senators, I am also no fool. I pray that this gentleman will accept my invitation. Otherwise, I stand by my actions as being completely founded on the law itself. Isusumiti ko po ang aking waiver sa kinauukulan kapag kumpleto na ang pirmadong 189 waivers. Kung hindi sila papayag sa hamong ito, bibigyan ko po ng direktiba ang aking defense panel na i-rest na po ang aking depensa. Total, wala naman silang napatunayang paratang laban sa akin. Maraming salamat po. Pagpalain po tayo ng buong may kapal. And now, the Chief Justice of the Republic of the Philippines wishes to be excused.
If Your Honor, please. The Chief Justice, as respondent in this case, had been on the witness stand and testified for more than 3 hours.
Wait a minute.
He's not been discharged. No, I'm not discharging him. I'm making a manifestation.